In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a gift card on Binance. Whether you've received a thoughtful gift from a friend or cashing in on a special promotion, redeeming a gift card on this platform is a straightforward process. I'll walk you through each step, ensuring that you have a seamless experience and can start using your credit on Binance right away. Let's begin by ensuring you have access to the Binance app installed on your mobile device. It's important that you are running the most recent version of this app, as having the latest updates guarantees you access to all new features and security improvements. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and download it from your device's app store and take a moment to log into your account. Don't worry if you can't recall the password. The app has a reset option that is user-friendly and quick. Once logged in, direct your attention to the main dashboard. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but for the purpose of redeeming your gift card, head over to the profile icon, typically located on the upper left or upper right corner of your screen, depending on updates. Upon tapping it, scroll down and find the gift card section, which is designed specifically for managing gift cards. Inside the gift card section, look for the Redeem button. It's usually prominent and hard to miss. Tapping this button will take you to a new page where you can enter the gift card code. Make sure you have this code handy. It might be on an email, a physical card, or another form your gift card came in. Carefully enter the code into the designated field, paying attention to any capital letters or special characters, as these are critical for validation. After you have entered your code, take a moment to double-check its accuracy. Mistakes can happen, and it's best to correct them now. Once you're sure everything looks right, go ahead and confirm your entry by tapping the Redeem option. If all details are accurate and the code is valid, you will receive a confirmation with the credit amount reflected in your Binance account balance immediately. Keep in mind, however, if you encounter an error message during redemption, it's often due to typing mistakes, expired codes, or region restrictions. Rest assured, Binance offers a support hotline and a live chat service where a representative can assist you. And there you have it, a simple process to redeem your gift card on Binance. Now you're ready to enjoy your new credit. Whether you choose to trade, invest, or save, it's up to you. Make sure to periodically check for any additional promotions or updates from Binance to make the most of your account. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!